Hi guys! In the beginning, we want to thank you for the trust and that you decided to learn with our tutorial pack. We believe that this is a great source of knowledge and you will learn a lot during our journey together. We strongly recommend you to do the tutorials in the correct order, as this course was designed to be done step by step. Some things which are explained in the previous lessons are not explained later on, so be sure you don't miss anything. However, if you are not interested in the modeling part, you can skip this module and start from the next one. If this is the case, you can open the modeling file done as a base of your main scene. Anyway, we believe that this is worth going through all the lessons, but of course, the choice is yours. Besides, I want you to be fully aware that by only watching the videos, you will not get much out of this course. Our advice is to watch the video first and then try to repeat everything after each lesson. If you feel that you are not good at any part, repeat it until you feel confident about your skills. In terms of 3D assets and textures, they are not included in the course files due to the licensing issues. However, we'll give you the links to them. You will find them below the videos. Okay, so without any further ado, let's start the journey. I hope you will enjoy our time together. See you in the next lesson.